Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Spotify app. So let's get into it. First of all, download and install the Spotify application. Sign in to your account on those devices and get listening. The basic setup is pretty straightforward, but there's much more to Spotify once you delve in, and it gets smarter the more you listen. Access your music library. Tap your library at the bottom of the screen. Start creating a playlist by tapping the plus icon on the top right corner. Enter a name for your playlist. Then select Create. Find music for your playlist. You can search for an artist, an album, or a specific song to add. By simply typing your preferred terms into the search bar will locate your music. Then add the music to your playlist. Start listening to your favorite songs. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.